Hello video editors, want to add some text to your video in Adobe Express? I'll walk you through it in just few easy steps. Let's dive in. First, open your Adobe Express app and start a new project or open an existing one. Tap on text from the left toolbar, select add text and type in the message you want to appear. You can move the text around by dragging it to your desired position, customize the font, size, color and even the animation style to make it pop. To control the timing, adjust the duration of the text on the timeline, tap on the text layer and drag it to desired length. Use cool effects like fade-ins or slides for extra flair. If the text doesn't appear on your video, check the text layer's timing in the timeline and make sure it's not overlapping with other elements. What text animation do you like using in your videos? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.